Alright, this is the unboxing video for the Quilter MICROBLOck. Yeah, baby. Alright. Quilter MICROBLOck. Got this on sale on a killer deal, a musician's friend, for like $100. So just got this in the mail today. That's cool. It's got a hologram on the. It's got a hologram right there. See that? That is so killer. It is so cool. Look at that hologram. That's so cool. Guess that's Mr. Quilter. Is that who you call him, Mr. Quilter? Let's see if we can. I wonder if we can peel this off. This thing's so cool. Probably not. Might be able to. Yeah, maybe. I think it's gonna rip. I'm just gonna cut it. Oh, cut it. This is a Quilter MICROBLOCK 45. MICROBLOCK 45 compact guitar amplifier. Look at that. Got power supply and cable. And got the Quilter MICROBLOCK. Wow, it's really small. Look at that. It's about as big as a Boss Super Overdrive, but it's a little smaller. Man, that thing is light too. So we've got speaker only, speaker out, do not connect to other pedals or it will probably kill them. Get your guitar input. Got your 24 volt DC, auxiliary input and headphone output. Let's check it out. Let's see, this is our speaker output. There's our power. Wow, that's about all there is to it, huh? Grab my Les Paul Studio. This thing is so light. Let's see. Got gain. The master. Ooh. It's pretty loud. Man, that thing is loud, dude. If I turn that thing, it's only on, about 2. If I turn it all the way up, it would just blow my ears out. Let's see what it sounds like. The clean sound. does kind of act like a tube amp. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. This thing is loud and it sounds great. I'm gonna try it on bass guitar. This is a Ampeg AMB1 wooden Ampeg. Yeah, it sounds pretty good on bass too. Wow, man, I'm surprised this thing's only 45 watts. So this is the Quilter MICROBLOCK 45. I'm going to just put that right on my pedal board, and I don't have to bring a head. Anyway, subscribe for more videos. Slap like. See you later.